Good morning kids. Today in this video we will learn about some common birds. So open your picture book, page number 4, chapter number 3, common birds. And you will also put finger on the correct pictures and repeat after me. Do you know where do we see birds? Yes, we see birds in the sky and on the tree. Birds live in a nest and have beautiful wings. So let's start. First is owl. Owl. This is an owl. Next, kingfisher. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Vulture. Vulture. This is a vulture. Next, myna. Myna. This is a myna. Peacock. Peacock. Do you know peacock is our national bird? Next, pigeon. 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 Crow. 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 Eagle. 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 This is an eagle. Parrot. 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 Next, sparrow. 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 Next is duck. This is a duck. Duck is known as water bird. Okay, let's repeat again. Common birds. Common birds. Owl. 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 Kingfisher. 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 Vulture. 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 Myna. 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 Peacock. 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 Pigeon. 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 Crow. 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 Eagle. 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 Parrot. 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 Duck. 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 Sparrow. 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 Now it's your turn. You do practice